If you want to fix WhatsApp not working, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead to your app store, Google Play. Alright? You're basically going to see the interface. Click your avatar icon at the top right. Make sure that you refresh for any upcoming updates. If WhatsApp need an update, make sure that you do. Alright? So what you're going to do next, go back to your screen and make sure that you have an stable internet connection, right? One of the reasons why you have a slow, basically, you have a slow process of using WhatsApp, or you feel like it's going slow, make sure that you have a powerful connection. Make sure that you close your Wi-Fi and reopen it again, and that should fix your problem. If it did, what you're gonna do, go ahead to the main settings, and then go ahead to the general, scroll a little bit down to the VPN and device management. One of the reasons why probably VPN functioning might hold you back. So make sure that you disconnect any VPN that works. All right. Now what you're gonna do? Scroll a little bit up, go to the day and time, and make sure that you set it automatically, and that should fix your problem. If it didn't, lastly, go ahead to the software update and make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version in order to get access to all the new features, and that should fix most of the problem. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.